Hello guys, welcome everyone to my another video. So in this video, I will explain a small Django project that I have created about fuzzy operations. Okay, so I have used some fuzzy operations and I have shown in the web browser how to perform those operations. Okay, with the help of Django. So I've created a project. Okay, you are seeing this screen. I've created a project, and in the project you will see if I expand this folder, you will see these are the files are there. Okay, from this whole folder means what are the files are there in this folder. From that I have created views.py manually. Okay, and you will also see another folder that is templates, which is also I have created manually. Okay, which is not by default provided, but all other things are by default provided. Okay, so here I have created the views.py where our business logic or the main logic we will write. Okay, and our multiple pages of the of these projects are there that will render and we will see into the web browser. Okay, so basically what I will do at first, you will you will understand from this video that how we will manage multiple pages in a project. Okay, so you will be wondering that how I have performed multiple operations of fuzzy set. So if you don't know what is fuzzy set or how what are the operations of fuzzy set, I have uploaded many videos in my YouTube channel that I have implemented many fuzzy operations using core Python. Okay, so you can go and check it, then check this video how we will perform those fuzzy operations on Django. Okay, so that the user can also see in the web browser and we can also see in the web browser. Okay, so basically these are the in the templates, these are the all are the HTML files. Okay, how it will render and we will see in the web browser, we will see that. Okay, so now what I've told you that what you will learn how we can manage multiple HTML pages in a perform multiple fuzzy set operations in a Django. Okay, single. Okay, so basically for that reason we need to create multiple pages. Okay, like for a particular operation, a particular page will be there. Okay, where the operation will be executed. Okay, so that you will see. I have also uploaded one another Django video earlier. Also, you will see there are like a single page. With the help of single page, I have performed a particular operation like students marks analyzer. Okay, so you will see this is the project for performing multiple Django operations. Okay, so how it will perform, I will show you by executing this. Okay, so now if I go to my terminal and type python manage.py and run server. Okay, and if I press enter, you will see the development server will be executed. Okay, the development server will be started with the IP address along with the port number. By default Django uses port number 8000. Okay, now if I go to my browser and if I type localhost colon 8000, you will see the home page or the interface will come. Okay, now here I will do the inspect first and then I will go for empty cache, I will go for hard reload, I will go for another time normal reload. Okay, why we have done this? Because maybe I have performed like I have also executed this file earlier also, that data may be stored, so that's why for executing in a new way I have done this. Okay, it is very important. Okay, so now you will see this is the home page. Okay, I have created a home page and there are a couple of options, means buttons. Okay, fuzzy set, these are the fuzzy set operations, and every buttons is related to the is connected with the fuzzy that operation page. Okay, HTML page. Okay, so if I press any of the button, you will see that operation page, HTML page will get loaded. Okay, so suppose if I go for Cartesian product. Okay, so see Cartesian product execution page is there. Okay, and if I go for algebraic sum. Okay, and then I have also created a button where we can redirect to the home page again. Okay, and suppose I've choose fuzzy subset check. Okay, then again fuzzy subset operation page will be there. Okay, and I again press menu to redirect to the home page. Okay, now I will execute every operations later. So first of all, I am going to the VS Code for trying to explain that how I have done it. Okay, now now basically, first of all, we have different multiple HTML pages. First of all, what we will do, we will just go for the URL part. Okay, means suppose I'm stopping the server, so Control C, stopping the server, then CLS. Okay, I'm stopping the server. Okay, so what I will do now, after I will execute, I will start the development server again in front of you only. Okay, see, the development servers have started. Okay, now what I will do, I will go for reload, means I will again enter the URL. When I will enter, it will go as a get request. See, the request goes to the Django server in the form of get. Now when it will go, okay, so Django server will send the URL to the urls.py. See, I have created multiple URLs. Okay, now urls.py, the URL come. Okay, now for which URL it matches, okay, that function based view which is present inside the views.py will be executed. Suppose it came in the form of get. Okay, now it request for the home page. Okay, now this 6 line number 6 will get executed. Okay, so line number 6, this URL is mapped with the function based view, home function based view. Okay, which is present inside the views. Now home function based view will be executed. Now if I go to home function based view, you will see a function based view, that is home is there. Okay, now I am passing the parameter request. Okay, so that whatever like the request will come, it will received by this, it will also accessed inside the function based view also. Now or else how we will work in it. Okay, so now if I expand it, it will see I have not done anything. I have just done return render request home.html. So you will see I have created template, okay, folder. Inside the template folder, I've created another folder, that is home. Inside home, you will see a home.html page is there, that is rendered, and you are what you are seeing here, what multiple buttons, like what you are seeing in the home page button, is just for home page, home HTML page only. Okay, so what it is returning just in the form of get request comes, and it will render the home.html. So now we will go for the home.html. Okay, if I go for home.html, what is there? Very basic thing is there. Okay, what we are doing, we are just, these are the designs, no need to go for that. We have, like, what we are doing, we are building couple of buttons. Okay, we have created couple of buttons for every fuzzy set operations, Cartesian product, for algebraic sum, for mth power, for fuzzy subset. Okay, so now you will see I have used hyperlink. Okay, why I have used hyperlink? So that when you are clicking to any of the button, okay, it is going to that page, that operation page. Okay, so that's why we need to do the hyperlink, or else it will not request for that operation page. Okay, the server will like the browser will not request for that operation page. Okay, so after clicking, it will not redirect to that page. Okay, that's why we have to use the hyperlink. Okay, now what I have done, okay, for the Cartesian product button, what I have done, I've this is the Django template language. With the help of this only, it will redirect to the Cartesian product operation page. Okay, so now what I have done, I have, like, when the user will click that Cartesian product button, then this Cartesian product page will be, this Cartesian product, okay, I have written the name, page will be like executed, will be redirect. Okay, means suppose it is, they have clicked this operation. Okay, suppose Cartesian product I have clicked. Okay, so now Cartesian product I have clicked. Now in the terminal you will see it is again in the form of get, it is received by the URL part. Okay, so it is now like requesting for the Cartesian page. Okay, so now again it came to the URL part and it will see that Cartesian product URL is there. Now from there it is mapped with the Cartesian product function based view. So again in views.py, now it will not execute the home, it will execute the function Cartesian product part. Okay, it is executing the Cartesian product part. Okay, now whatever we will give in the form, you will see there is a form. Okay, it is telling to enter the size. Okay, for the Cartesian performing Cartesian product we need two sets. Okay, now so it is requesting for like there are two input fields. One is for requesting the size of first set and requesting the size of second set. Okay, now like when I will give the input, suppose I will give 2. Okay, here also I will give 2. Okay, now when I will generate field, you will see there is like you will see till the size range. Okay, the element and membership fields will be generated. So if I press generate fields, see set a, for set a it is asking for element 1, element 2 and membership 1, membership 2, because for fuzzy set we have element and membership. Okay, I have given range 2. Okay, for for both the sets I have given range 2. Okay, so for both the sets, uh, two fields for elements and membership have came. Okay, now how it is came. Okay, so you will see now when I am filling out the form, it is coming in the form of post, I think. See here it is coming in the form of post. Okay, now how it will access, like whatever I have given the range, that will be accessed by here. Okay, so now like it is request for Cartesian product, that's why Cartesian product page have come. I have home page part I have covered already. Okay, so home page part I have covered already. Okay, so I have came for the Cartesian product. Now here is the range form, whatever range I have provided. Okay, whatever range I have provided for set 1 and set 2 I have provided. Now you will see in the submit button how, like the submit button, when I am submit generate, what is the name of the generate field. Okay, you will see there is a name and the value. Name is action and value is generate field. Okay, when I will click that, it the input will be accessed by the, like received by the views.py Cartesian product function based view. Now it will check. Okay, it will check if the like the request come in the form of post, means we are filling up the form, means request come in the form of post. Now inside the form, like inside this post block, if the action equals to generate field, then this block will be executed, or else if block will be executed. Okay, so now if we check like generate field, like action equals generate field, it is true, then that means the size A and size B will be received by this, and it will send, like why we are using context, because to send the Python data to a template, so that template can render, like use Django template language, and also render the HTML, render like sends response directly to the browser. Okay, means to the client. Okay, now I'm sending the size A, size B and the range of A and B. Why we are sending the range A and range B? Because then, like you will see these fields are generating dynamically. Okay, so how it will, like we are providing 2, like size of both the sets are 2, then how it will detect that 2 element and membership fields will be generated? It is like generating dynamically. That means how we have performed that? Okay, we have performed with the help of range function. Okay, so see we are using range function, and we are telling from 1 to size A plus 1, like it will run. Okay, so in the Cartesian product, if I go for the Cartesian product page, okay, if I go for this Cartesian product page, you will see range form is there, dynamic fields is there. Okay, so inside dynamic field you will see it will generate the fields dynamically. Okay, how it will generate the fields dynamically? See, for set A I'm using the Django template language. It is very important, or else we cannot generate the fields dynamically without JavaScript. With the help of JavaScript we can generate, but without JavaScript also we can generate in the same page. Okay, with the help of Django template language. So see, for I in range A, as we have used for loop in case of CoPython, we can use here also in Django template in HTML only. Okay, so for this only, like the range function, like it will run till 1 to size a plus 1 till the fields will be generated. Okay, for set b also I have done the same thing. Okay, and now there is a submit button, generate Cartesian. Now generate Cartesian, when I press the generate Cartesian, it will again come to the function based view and it will check the form, like the request is coming in the form of post, and it will check if the action is generate fields or no. This time it is not generate field, this time it is generate Cartesian. So if I expand this, you will see here like the Cartesian product logic is there. So what is doing here, size A size B again we are taking because we need to print the size A and size B also. If we like, you will see like in the browser, you will see if I generate click the generate Cartesian product, you will see size A and size B will be there, and then Cartesian product will be there in the form of table. That will also I will show you. Okay, so now here, and say we are using creating two dictionaries because we need to insert the key and value pairs into the dictionary, or else how we can implement the Cartesian product. Okay, so now we are entering the elements and membership of two, like I have provided the range two, so two keys and values will be inserted into the set A and set B for both. Okay, now this Cartesian logic is there, this is the Cartesian product logic. Now what we are sending in context. Okay, so size A size B range, or else the upper part will be, means the generate field form will be lost. Okay, that's why we need range function also. We need to send the set also, or else we cannot show the set, and we need to like we are printing the set in the form of string only. That's why that is a set, we need to convert it into string, or else how can we print it? Okay, you will see I'm printing it, and we are sending the Cartesian also, where our main Cartesian logic, means Cartesian product will be there. Okay, inside the dictionary, and we are rendering. Okay, okay, we are rendering. Now I will show you the Cartesian product page again, because the result part is very interesting. You will see I've printed the result in the form of table. I have used table, pair and membership values, and you will see like again we are using the Django template language for printing the result in the table also. You will see I'm using the for loop and I dot items. That's why because of we can use key and value pairs from the Cartesian dictionary. Okay, you will see if I go for set A, like set A element A, and for element 2 B, and then I will go for 5 because it will till 0 to 1 I can give it, and 0.4, and again for set A and set B B, and I'm go for 0.5 and 0.3. And if I press generate Cartesian product, you will see so set is there, set A and set B is showing, so that we can relate how it become. Okay, now the pair Cartesian product result is showing for A and A 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, 0.5 will be there. For A and B minimum will be there, 0.3 will be there. Okay, in this way the result is shown. This is same for all the operations only. Okay, if you go for menu again, it will redirect to this same page. Okay, home, then again we can choose another form. So I have explained you one operation. In the same way other operations also will be executed. I am showing you how it will execute. Okay, so if I go for again go for function views.py, and again close this part. Okay, and suppose in the home part anyone press this algebraic sum. Okay, so what it will do, algebraic sum, the URL will request for like the to the Django server, it will request for the algebraic sum page. Okay, so how it will render, so algebraic sum page, and it will come to the URLs part, then it will check if algebraic sum, this part will be executed, and algebraic sum function based view will be executed in the views.py. So here it will execute it again, it will take, like it will check if the action is generate fields or if the action is generate algebraic. Okay, in that way it will generate based on the size it will generate. See here, if I press this, based on the size, again it will generate, suppose again it will generate three element membership fields. Again when we are generating algebraic sum, it will give in the form of table. Okay, in the same way what I have done and what I have explained earlier for the Cartesian product of the same way. Okay, so here also it will first return in the form of post, that will, sorry, in first time in the form of get it will return, then it will return the it will render the algebraic sum page. Now I will show you the algebraic sum page here. This one is the algebraic sum page. In the same way I have implemented, like I have done for Cartesian product, in the same way I have done for algebraic sum also. Okay, then again it will send the response, and then in this way it is performing the algebraic sum. Okay, in the same way for Cartesian product. So in this way we have handled multiple operations. In this way we have handled multiple operations of fuzzy set in one project only. Don't need to create different projects for particular set operations. Okay, so from this video we have learned how we can perform multiple fuzzy set operations in a single project only. So wait for my next video. In the next video also I will bring up something interesting. So till then, bye bye.